So today's video is all about this MV Agusta Brutale Oro. So let's get started with the video. So this is the model itself, and it was really hard to find this model, so I will not be able to provide the purchase link in the description. So sorry for that. And as you can see, it weighs around 82 grams. And if you are enjoying this video, do like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And let's continue with the cinematic video. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye bye. Take care.